Oh, we're live. Yay, we're streaming.
Recording started. So, hello, Juriy.
Hey,
I'm really happy to have you among our amazing speakers team. And today I'm having a few questions for you. So, the first one will be, how is your quarantine situation? How are you doing?
yeah, first of all, thank you very much for having me. It's a great pleasure to be a part of this amazing team, so I hope it will be lots of fun. Well, about quarantine, I currently live in Switzerland, so for us, it is quite good. Yeah, it wasn't ever too bad, but right now you will almost not notice that it was at some point in place, the quarantine, I mean, right? So people are already like on the street, they're having their barbecue parties, the weather is amazing, so we're in the good shape. They say that in a couple of weeks the borders will be open, and that's when all the people will probably go to the sea if they will be brave enough to go to Italy.
Yeah, we actually have the same situation here in Kiev. Yes, we are in Kiev. So, yeah. And why did you decide to join Node.js Global Summit and what do you think about it?
Well, joining the conferences is always lots of fun and so also lots of use, right? So by sharing something and learning something new, you improve yourself as a professional, first of all, and of course, meeting new cool people and hanging out online, since we can't all hang out together offline. That is the viable alternative for me, of course.
Okay, and what are you going to talk about on the summit?
All right, so the name of my talk is Deploying Node from local host to the cloud. And naturally, I will be talking about how to deploy your Node.js application. You see, the thing is that most developers, when they're building apps, they are focusing on functionality first. And they're building it on localhost because it's the best place to build your functionality first. But then everything that you planned to build in your app is done. And then comes this now what moment, because you need to take your app and send it somewhere to internet, create some sort of Linux server, configure firewalls, request HTTPS certificate. And that sounds quite complex, but in reality, it is not. And I'm going to prove that in my talk, and also talk about some natural evolution of your DevOps architecture, how you want to go further, how to set up something like load balancing, something like alerting, monitoring, log aggregation, etc. So I hope that will be useful for Node.js developers who are mainly focused on programming and they want to expand their horizon a little bit and learn a little bit about how to run your baby application in the internet and give it to real people.
Well, it sounds amazing, and I believe a lot of people will come to attend your speech. So, and now you have the opportunity to invite everyone to join your speech. So, go, please.
All right, cool. Sure, guys, come to join us on Global Summit, Global Node.js Summit. There will be loads of speeches, and loads of them are super interesting. And of course, don't forget to visit my speech, which is about deploying Node.js application from local host to the cloud. And I'll be super happy to see you all together on Global Node.js Summit.